Activating a Visa gift card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, it is essential to understand that a Visa gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to make purchases online or in store, wherever Visa is accepted. The first step in activating a Visa gift card is to locate the activation information that comes with the card. This information can usually be found on a sticker or a leaflet that is included with the card. The activation information will typically include a website address or a phone number that you will need to use to activate the card. Once you have located the activation information, the next step is to visit the website or call the phone number to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code, which can be found on the back of the card. You may also be required to provide some personal details, such as your name and address. After entering the required information, you will be asked to create a PIN number, which will be used to authorize transactions and protect your card from unauthorized use. It is essential to choose a PIN number that is unique and difficult for others to guess. Once you have completed the activation process, your Visa gift card will be ready to use. You can use it to make purchases online or in store, and you can also use it to get cash from an ATM. It is essential to keep track of your balance and to use your card responsibly to avoid any issues. In addition to activating your Visa gift card, it is also essential to understand how to use it safely and securely. This includes keeping your card and PIN number confidential, monitoring your account regularly for any suspicious activity, and reporting any issues to the card issuer immediately. By following these simple steps, you can easily activate your Visa gift card and start using it to make purchases and get cash. Remember to always use your card responsibly and to follow the best practices for keeping your account safe and secure. It is also important to note that activation procedures may vary depending on the issuer of the card. So it is essential to follow the specific instructions provided with your card. If you have any issues or concerns during the activation process, you can contact the card issuer for assistance. Overall, activating a Visa gift card is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these steps and using your card responsibly, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of a Visa gift card.